So this is our vacuum oven in round chamber, and this is a vacuum pump. So today I am going to tell you how to install this. Okay, first of all we have to check the value of level of oil. Firstly, we have to pour the oil from this button, from this knob. This is the oil. Now we are pouring it. We have filled the oil up to this level. Now we closing the knob. So we have connected this silicone pipe with our nozzle, that is vacuum pipe, and make sure the nozzle is open. This is closed now and this is open, so that the vacuum goes inside properly, and it always should be closed. It always be closed, just because the vacuum is going in. From here the vacuum is going out. This is for vacuum release. This is vacuum oven. This is vacuum on, means vacuum release is on, and this is vacuum release off. So this is our round vacuum oven, and this is our beautiful branding of Precious Petroleum. Now I am starting the instrument. So firstly we need to mains on. So the temperature is 70 degrees set. I am taking it to 100 degree. This is 100 degree, and we set it. Now we have to raise this energy regulator bar up to 50 degree. If you want to use for 1 to 100 degree, the regulator should be up to 50, so that the heater glows according to the ratio level. There is a small button to start the vacuum pump. I'm just opening it. Vacuum pump starts. We can connect this vacuum pump with this socket also, but right now I have connected with other external source. You can see the vacuum is increasing rapidly. I didn't start this pump just because I didn't connect it to this external socket. My vacuum pump is connected to the different socket. So the vacuum is increasing rapidly and temperature is also increasing. So we are not advisable to run the vacuum pump for more than 2 hours. Once the vacuum is settled into the vacuum oven, it should be closed. Vacuum pump should be off, so that it maintains the vacuum inside the chamber. If you want to release the vacuum, first of all, close the vacuum pump. Close this vacuum pipe. Now release it. So I have shown you the round one. Now this is the rectangular one. The inner chamber is in rectangular in shape, like in square in shape. So let's check it out. This all chamber is in square in shape. There are two trays. In the same point, there are two nozzles for vacuum pipe and vacuum release, and there is a socket.